Welcome to Linux Help. In this today's section, we are going to see how to install NEOS CMS on Ubuntu 22.04 version. NEOS CMS is an open source content management system that allows developers and users to build their websites in a couple of steps quickly. NEOS CMS is written in PHP and JavaScript and uses SQL. In this blog post, we will install NEOS CMS with the LAMP stack so you can easily access it via your domain name. At first time check the OS version. I am using Ubuntu 22.04 version. Now I am going to install Apache on my Ubuntu machine. Apache web server has been installed successfully. Now I am going to start and enable Apache service. Now I am going to check the status of the Apache. Status is active. Now I am going to install MariaDB. MariaDB has been installed successfully. Now I am going to start and enable MariaDB. Now I am going to check the status of the MariaDB. Status is active. Now I am going to log into the MariaDB and create a database and user and grant privileges to the user for the database. First I log into the MariaDB. Now I am going to create a database. Database created. Now I am going to create user. User has been created. Now I am going to grant all privileges to the user for that database. Privileges has been granted to the user. Now flush the privileges. Now I am going to exit from MariaDB. Now install PHP with the extension by using following command. PHP has been installed. NEOS CMS required Composer, so I am going to install Composer by using following command. PHP has been installed successfully. NEOS CMS required Composer, so I am going to install Composer. Now check the Composer version. Composer version is 2.6.3. Now I move to the Apache default document root directory folder. Now I am going to clone from Git by using following command. I am not having Git command, so I am going to install Git by using following command. Again I run the command to clone NEOS package. Now the package has been cloned. Now I am going to install by using Composer. Now I move to the directory. Now I am run Composer install command. NEOS has been installed successfully. Now I am going to change the ownership by using change own command. Ownership has been changed. Now I am going to enter the database credential in two files, one for development and another one for production. Now I am going to rename this file. Now I am going to edit the file. Here I enter the database name. Here I enter user. Here I enter the password. Now save the file and exit. Do the same for production directory. First I rename this file. Now I am going to edit. First I enter database name. Then user. Here I enter the password. Now save the file and exit. Now go to the Apache directory and create a configuration file for NEOS. I already have a virtualhost code. Now I am going to paste. Now save the file and exit. Now I am going to enable the Apache configuration for NEOS. Now I'm going to disable Apache default welcome page. Now I'm going to check the syntax. Here is one error in line 30. Now I change the virtual host file. Save the file and exit. Now again I check the syntax. Syntax is okay. It shows some warning message only. Now reload the Apache service. Now I'm restart the Apache service. Now I'm going to check the status of the Apache. Apache status is active. Now open your browser. Search with the hostname or IP address. This is the NEOS welcome page. This is the procedure to install NEOS on Ubuntu 22.04 version.
Thank you for watching this video, and if you like it, please subscribe to our channel. To learn more tutorials, visit www.linuxhelp.com, and if you have any queries, mail us to support@linuxhelp.com.